All right, I'm excited to share a brand new feature in Retriever that lets you view and manage invoices directly from Google Sheets without having to open QuickBooks. So what we're looking at here is an AR aging detail report I've created, and we're going to focus in on this invoice 1236 for Cypress Grove Retail Center. It's an overdue invoice that still has 15K open balance. So if I open the Retriever extension, come to drill down, and then select that row and click refresh, what that's going to do is fetch from QuickBooks the actual PDF with the details and some action options for us. So here we have the PDF that we can see for Cypress Grove. It shows that overdue balance of 15K. And now we have a few options. We can download the PDF directly. We can print it if that's something you're still into. We can definitely do that right here. We can copy the payment link directly if we want to send that. We can send it via QuickBooks. So this is going to send an email with that attachment, and it's going to come from the official QuickBooks address. We can open it in our own email if we need to modify the language or add attachments, and we can of course open it in QuickBooks if you need to edit the invoice, modify anything. So it looks like we just had that email come through. So as you can see, it is going to include all those details as well as the PDF, and looks like our printed invoice is now done as well too. Check it out.